What is up, you guys? So I just got a VoxBox in the mail from Influenster. This is the first time I've gotten like a little black box like this, and I'm like actually really excited, even though like I know it's small, so of course there's not like anything huge in it, but it's just cute. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if you guys knew. I have saved all my previous VoxBoxes from the past. I'm not sure exactly what I plan to do with them, other than taking a video and just showing you all the VoxBoxes, and like I'll use that as my thumbnail picture. But yeah, anyways, so another color to add to my collection. Oh my goodness. All right. It's GOOP Glow Lotion is a feather light, fast absorbing moisturizer that instantly freshens and hydrates for up to 72 hours for healthier looking skin with a dewy glow. Glow Lotion is clinically tested to provide immediate and long-term hydration benefits while it improves skin texture and smoothness. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. It is 15 mils, so not like huge, but not tiny. Because like I have tiny little samples from Philosophy that are like this small, you know? And they're not even, actually these are not samples. Like you purchase these, you know? So I have these that are 7 mils, and I actually bought those. But this Goop product is 15 mils. And then here's the packaging. So yeah, it is 15 mils. And it says the key ingredients are spirulina enzyme and light harvesting protein, helps combat dullness. It has Australian kakadu plum and vitamin C to help brighten the skin, and sugar-derived squalene helps moisturize and retain lasting hydration. And it says after 7 days of use, 97% of users showed a significant improvement in skin hydration. So I'm gonna use it right now because I just washed my face after I'm doing a bunch of stuff in my backyard. I don't know if you guys have seen or are about to see my gardening video. So I'm about to like make a garden outside my backyard, and like I'm creating my planters all by myself from scratch. So that's what I'm doing, and I just cleaned up my backyard a lot, so I was pretty dirty. But I just washed my face. My hands are clean, so I'm about to put this product on for the first time ever. And I'm so excited. This is like a matte finish on here, and I've never really had many, I don't think I have many things that have like a matte finish like this. Is that the thing that I got from Influenster, maybe? No, even this isn't a matte finish. But I remember when I got this one and I was super happy too. Alright. Ooh, that reminds me. I have a survey on my email today. I just saw my email and it said do this survey by 11:59 a.m. 11:59 p.m. on Monday night. So I need to do that survey and I could potentially get another VoxBox. Like that's how easy it is, you guys. Literally. You just check your emails. Check your emails and make sure whether you have one or not. So I just put a couple pumps on my finger and we'll see how this goes. Whoa. You guys, I've actually never had a lotion go on like that. It's an interesting smell. Like it's not bad. It's not like delicious, but it's like a good smell. And then it kind of turns like funky. It smells like cucumber lemon almost. Oh my goodness. Honestly though, it makes my skin feel so soft. So it's the vitamin C for sure, and spirulina. Well, as long as it doesn't make my skin oily, because I'm kind of like a combination skin and like kind of more oil. I don't know. Depending on the products, I could be combination skin dry or combination skin oily. All right, you guys, that is so exciting. I'm really happy. It's so funny, like the past couple of VoxBoxes that I've gotten are very geared towards like things that I need lately. This VoxBox that I got is lotion, and I obviously need it, and I'm like I dry out really easily and I'm breaking out. And then the previous VoxBox I got was the Biossance Squalene and Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. I don't know if you guys remember. If you didn't see this, go check out my other video. If you cannot see this well, hopefully you can see it better in my other video. And so I really needed that, obviously. I haven't been using it super consistently, so I really can't say whether it has worked or not. I'm honestly kind of waiting for me to like stop breaking out in the first place, and then I can use the dark spot corrector to see if it fixed previous breakouts, right? Like what's the point of using it if I'm actively breaking out? Well, to stop the dark spots before they form, yeah, sure. But I'm not sure it works like that. Ugh. I wanted to keep this on because it was super cute. This is my outfit that I was wearing when I was doing stuff in the backyard, but I think this is super cute. I just got this from Gymshark from Goodwill. Anyways, so it's super easy, you guys, to get an Influenster VoxBox. Just sign up for Influencer, link down below. Influenster is not sponsoring this video. I'm not getting paid at all for this, but since I'm getting free stuff, I thought I'd just share the news and help you guys get free stuff too. Get the app, review everything around your house, get a bunch of badges, and if you're interested in knowing what types of badges you can get, go watch this video right here, and I list every single badge that I've ever gotten and how I got it. So it's super easy, you guys. I'm really happy with this product. I'll let you guys know how it is. Go check out my Instagram and you'll see, probably talk about more how I actually feel about it. Now I'm gonna go answer that other survey from Influenster just to try to get another VoxBox. Go check your email. If you currently have Influencer, go check your email. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day. Go check out my channel for more videos if you liked this one. I know it was really short, but I just thought I'd pop in and say hi. Why not? Okay, bye. Love you guys.